How to create playlist on Spotify PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create playlist on Spotify PC easily and fast. So first thing you have to do, just go to your Spotify PC. Now this is the home page, as you can see. All what you have to do is just go to create playlist here and search for the music that you want to add to your playlist or episodes. Click on it and search for example Eminem and add the songs that you want, for example this one, and this. Click add it to playlist, and now as you can see, this is my playlist right here. You can change the title of your playlist from here by clicking, as you can see, edit the details. Now this is the playlist. Change the name and you can add description from here. After you finish, click save. For example, playlist, save. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.